Hi y'all, this is Melanie. Welcome back. This is the second episode of this Beyond Burger series. This was what I made last time, just simple burger, a Beyond Burger meatless burger, and it was on the grill. That was so good. So this time I am making the Beyond Burger fried rice. I can't help it. I gotta try this in fried rice. So here I have some leftover onion. This is about half onion. Just kind of dice them up, cubes so that it's easy to release the aroma. And I have about half a cup of frozen veggie here. This was the burger that came in this packet. It has 8 of them. They're individually, well, 2 of them wrapped in a tray like this. But I'm just gonna use one patty for this fried rice recipe. And I'm going to use 2 eggs, and these are some of these seasoning, salt, sugar, some garlic powder, some oil, pepper, and this veggie seasoning or mushroom seasoning. And I got about a tablespoon of that, not even. So on fried rice, I am going to go with a medium high this time, even medium. I just want to break this up and into little pieces because it lasts a little longer. Now just like to mix it into the rice to make it look a little bit more meaty, I guess. Then when all that's all broken up, add a little oil and add your onions. Right now I'm in the middle, so I'm cranking it up to mid-high, and actually move my pan on the side there. But if you have like a smaller pan, well, we're frying fried rice, should be in a bigger pan. Wok anyway, or frying pans. So I don't want the meat to be over fried, so I kind of shift it over there. After the onions is all released, kind of like translucent there, add in my frozen veggie. In this package I only have like the peas and the corn, the carrots, all chopped up. Kick them around for a little bit, and they kind of dry up. Evaporated all the juice there, most of the juice, and kind of stir them up and mingle and set them aside. Add in your eggs. I have 2 here, but sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4. So today I'm doing 2. So what I'm saying is add as much as you want to eat. That's the reason why you cook it at home. So that's a little bit dry up. Don't let it get too dry. So that will be not very, in my opinion, it's not really good when it's too dry. So add it on to the side. Keep cooking everything to the side. I wish I had a bit bigger pan. So I also add in here like 2 cups of steamed rice and a little bit of salt, maybe a pinch, or maybe an eighth of an inch. I'm sorry, an eighth of a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, 3/4. I think later I added the rest of them, but when you get all that in, stir it all up, and once the rice is all mixed up with the seasoning, mix it all together. Very simple. I think you get the gist of it. Just fry a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and set it to the side. Mix it up. Keep going. This is almost at the end of the fried rice series, or the fried rice process. So I crack in some white pepper at the end, and that is it. Just quickly mix it around, and there we go. It should be pretty light and very vegan-y and vegetarian. Well, you know what, vegan, I don't know. It has eggs in it. Well, it's a vegetarian. If you're vegan, remove the eggs, whatever makes it works for you. But I'm telling you, I like this. I like the meatless. It's my kids. I think I tricked my kids into thinking it's meat. It does not have that meaty smell, but it sure tastes good. Fried rice can be pretty good with meatless burger. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Come back and check out my other recipe. If you enjoyed this, click a thumbs up and subscribe for future Vietnamese or Asian home cook videos. Talk to you later. Bye bye.